In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on eBay 2026. If you've ever wanted the flexibility to split your eBay purchases into manageable payments, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it using Klarna. Before we begin, make sure you've installed the Klarna app on your phone and you're signed in. It also helps to have your eBay account details handy so you can log in smoothly when prompted. Availability can vary by country, merchant category, and your personal eligibility, so if you don't see a specific option, don't worry. I'll share tips along the way to help you get through it. Start by opening the Klarna app. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see Klarna's wallet and shopping features front and center. If it's your first time, take a quick moment to verify that your payment method in Klarna is up to date. This ensures your pay in 4 or financing options show correctly later. Also, enabling notifications is a smart move, so Klarna can send you reminders about upcoming payments and order updates. From the home screen, tap the Shop tab. This is Klarna's built-in browser and store directory where you can shop at thousands of retailers while using Klarna's payment options at checkout. You'll notice a search bar and curated store tiles. If you don't see what you need right away, use the search to find it. For best results, make sure your region in the app matches where you're shopping because store availability and payment plans can differ by country. Now, in the Shop tab, find and select eBay. Klarna will open eBay right inside its in-app browser. If you're asked whether to open in another browser, choose to stay within Klarna so your payment options work seamlessly. Sign in to your eBay account if prompted. Staying signed in keeps your saved addresses and payment preferences handy, but remember you'll be finalizing payment with Klarna, not your usual card on file, so don't worry if eBay shows your old details. You'll select Klarna at checkout. You can now browse eBay normally, add items to your cart as you would on the regular eBay site. A quick tip: Klarna works best when your cart contains items from the same country site and seller categories that allow third-party payment services. Some categories, such as vehicles, large industrial equipment, or certain digital goods and gift cards, might not be eligible. If you run into any restrictions, consider removing the ineligible item and proceeding with the rest. Also, review shipping details and return policies before you check out, especially with international sellers, as Klarna payment schedules won't change even if shipping is delayed. When you're ready to buy, go to eBay checkout. In the payment section, look for the option to pay with Klarna. Select it to view your available payment plans. Depending on your eligibility and the order amount, you might see options like pay in 4, pay in 30 days, or longer term financing. Take a moment to review the repayment schedule, any potential fees, and the due dates. Klarna will show you exactly what you'll pay today and what's due later, so there are no surprises. If you don't see Klarna as a direct option on eBay's page, the app may offer a one-time virtual card inside Klarna's browser. In that case, follow the prompts to generate it and use it at checkout like a normal card. The result is the same. You're paying with Klarna on a flexible schedule. Before you confirm, double check your shipping address, the seller details, and the total, including taxes and shipping, because your Klarna plan is based on that final amount. If everything looks good, complete the purchase. You'll get a confirmation in both eBay and Klarna. In the Klarna app, you can track your order, see your upcoming payments, and, if available, turn on reminders to keep you on schedule. If you return an item or get a partial refund, Klarna will adjust your plan accordingly. If anything feels off, like a missing Klarna option, try refreshing the page inside the Klarna app, making sure your app is updated, or switching between mobile and desktop within the Klarna browser. And remember, eligibility is dynamic. Limits can change based on your history and order size. That's it. You've just learned how to pay with Klarna on eBay, shop directly through the Klarna app, and check out with flexible payment options. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.